Hi everyone, today we're talking about plants that you don't need to water too often. I love plants, but as much as I love them, and I'm really ashamed to admit this, I don't particularly love watering, and I'm willing to bet that I am not the only person. Or maybe you have a busy life that means you might not always be at home every week to water your plants. Well, that doesn't mean that you have to live a life devoid of houseplants. There are some brilliant ones that look stunning but don't need your full and undivided watering attention. So let's talk about succulents briefly because they are a really good choice. They are adapted to make the best of their harsh, dry environments, and because of that, they have a low water requirement and the ability to store water or use very little. Two perfect examples of succulents that you could choose from are these. This is a ZZ plant and this is a snake plant. Each of them are brilliant additions to any home. I really love the ZZ plant because although it's a succulent, it doesn't have that typical cactus look about it. It's really, really lush and architectural, and I love it. And then likewise, the snake plant, this is super tough. This really tough little plant proves that just because it doesn't require much, doesn't mean that it's a boring plant. So the next thing to talk about is this. This is a dragon tree. It's got a really slim form which can work for a tricky space. And likewise, it's slow growing, so it's not going to suddenly explode and take over the space that you've put it in. And lastly, let's talk about this little gem. The money plant, or Pilea peperomioides. Interesting form, great talking point, really good name as well. It looks that little bit different from your regular houseplant. Each of these leaves are really springy. It looks awesome. It's not too big, and its watering requirements are really low. All of these plants are so capable and undemanding when it comes to watering that they are the perfect choice for your home if you travel a lot, if you're away a lot, and spot on for leveling up your office space as well. You have to give one of them a try, or even better, lots of them. Leave us a comment down below because we love hearing from you. Let us know, is there a plant here that you want to try, or do you already have one that you love? If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't already, subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon because that way you'll be notified when we post our next video.